This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Extensive renovation will have you ready to write a contract when you enter the front door. Gorgeous kitchen is the crowning glory of this home with brand new stainless steel appliances including slim profile microwave that fits the way it should over the new stove. Beautiful selection of marble countertops with white cabinets and gleaming wood flooring throughout the first floor. Fireplace complements the neutral palette decor and the HGTV look of the entire home. Location, location, location. If you work in Norfolk/Knob and want convenient Norfolk access but a home address in Virginia Beach, this is it, or immediate I-64 access to anywhere in Virginia Beach. Best buy in best condition under $200,000. For more information, review